everyone, it's Elizabeth from Flower Stock Tivoli, and welcome back to my home. I wanted to just show you some of the new dry product that we're carrying right now. It is so popular. Everyone is loving working with dry product. They want things that will last for them, and then just kind of go with a very modern with a little bit of rustic feeling of the decor. So I just want to shoot a video to show you some of the new product that we're carrying. So if you haven't heard about pampas grass, it is really, really big right now. Everyone's really loving it. It comes in grays, it comes in creams, it comes in blush pinks and things like that. When you do get it, it is quite tight. So take it outside, give it a little shake. Don't be surprised when there's a whole bunch of little floaty guys falling all over the place. That's normal. Just do that outside, give it a really, really good shake, and then just bring it back inside your home. You will find that it leaves little things on your workstation as well. So you just have to give that a good vacuum before you put your arrangement in a non-high traffic area. So I wouldn't put it near a front door where there's a lot of traffic or the breeze coming in. We don't want any of these little guys to fly out of here. So this container here is a jug that I use for almost everything. I put flowering branches in here. I do different types of eucalyptus, different greens for the holidays. So just choose a really great container that doesn't have too large of an opening. The larger the opening, the more flowers, of course, you will need to be able to put in there to give you the size that you're looking for. So I'm just going to start off with a couple of the Sirocco pods. So these here come to us all natural from our supplier. They've glued little sticks on them for it to make it easier to arrange. And some people will work with the dried floral foam that you would need if you're working maybe in a lower container or things like that, but you definitely don't need it if you're working in a large container. If you are like working in a lower container as well, you can use chicken wire. That also works really, really well and is a lot more environmentally friendly than the floral foam. And then I just have a couple of these preserved palm spears that I'm gonna pop in there. Then we also have these really cute bunny tails. So those are those guys there. They come in a little blush pink. And then we also have the preserved lavender. So really nice as well. Same with the pampas grass. The more you manipulate it, it will start to drop little things for you. You don't want that. So it's kind of a put it in the spot and leave it. So I'm just gonna put the pampas grass to the side a bit just to kind of play with the asymmetrical. This would be something that I would put on a mantle or on a side table, maybe in a bedroom. And again, not in a high traffic area. And then just take some of those little bunny tails, pop them in there. Nice little blush color in the pink, without being too loud or maybe too strong of a color, and then also not looking overly artificial as well. Some of them, when they're dyed in really bright colors, it can be a bit strong depending on your decor. So I'm just gonna slide those in there. It's definitely not a filler, it's just more of a little bit of a texture. I like them kind of dancing on the top of the arrangement. And then I will move on to a little bit of my lavender. So this smells amazing. So any bits you get on your hands, you'll definitely smell those. You could also add in some eucalyptus that will dry as well. You could add in some pussy willows if you wanted to. Just anything that will make you feel like there's some spring. So again, as long as this isn't played with, it will last almost indefinitely for you. As when you're manipulating, they will drop other things, but you can just put this on like a side table or your mantle and something like that, and they will just kind of give a little shot of color, something nice and soft and muted. And then just a perfect little touch of spring. So we are getting lots of different dried product in at the store. So if you're looking for something specific, please let me know. I will do my best to source it for you. But we do have a really great selection and more coming in quite often. So if you end up making something with some of our dried product, I'd love it if you could send me a picture so I can see how you style it in your home. And thanks again, and we will see you soon.